Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video, guys. Very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WordPress website right here at wordpress.com if you're not already, and after opening it up you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where in the upper right corner you can get started with logging into your account. So go ahead and log in if you have not already, and after logging in successfully you'll be greeted by this home page right here where in the left side screen you can find all the sections you can access, such as you can see, we have the WooCommerce section right here. Here is our WooCommerce section, where as you can see, we can start a new store if you do not already have one. And if you already have your store, you'll be able to manage it and access it from here. So all your products and info is going to be right here. So you can directly use your products to sell ebooks right here, but we are going to be using the help of a plugin. So if you open up the plugin section right here, it's going to open up this plugins marketplace where you can find all the plugins that you can use for your website. And at the top of the screen, you have a search bar. So in the search bar, you want to search for ebooks. By searching for ebooks, it's going to give us a result of all the applications and all the plugins we can use related to ebooks. So you can see we have multiple options such as the ebook downloader, ebook download option, as well all the plugins that's going to enable you to sell your ebooks. You can see you have the ebook WooSell as well, that's going to enable you to sell your ebooks on WooCommerce. You can install any of the plugins you find right here, find the plugin that you want to go ahead and use, and once you find it, just click the install button that's going to appear right here. So by installing it, it's going to add it to your website that you can then add from your plugin section right here and your WooCommerce section and manage it from there to sell your ebooks, and it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.